Good morning, Diana.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Tell me about yourself.
I was born in Rovira, Tolima. I graduated from National University, did philosophy, and I am a teacher of philosophy in Confatolima School.
Do you like this work?
Yes, I am very happy because it's my vocation. The children are my motivation because I promote to their future. And not only do I teach them, they teach me all days.
How many teachers work in this school?
The Confatolima school have 20 teachers.
How old are you?
I am 35 years old.
What are the working hours?
I work from 7 to 12.
What are your biggest strengths?
I'm really good at listening to people. I am a punctual person. I always arrive early and complete my work in time, and I like things don't get excellence.
What are your weaknesses?
And sometimes I'm slower in complete my tasks compared to others because I really want to get things right.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years from now?
Become more independent in what I do and productive.
What do you speak in languages?
I am speaking Spanish very good and speaking English more or less.
Okay, thank you, your therapy. It's all today.
You are welcome. Thank you for your interview, Diana.
See you later.
See you later. Bye.